Making our way to Clemson, South Carolina, the Clemson Tigers, three-time national championship winners. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are in Clemson, South Carolina at the Clemson Tigers, Clemson University. So today, y'all, we are going to roll around this campus, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. Y'all, we have a lot to get through, y'all, but before we even push forward, please take the time right now to like and subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds. So please do me a favor, hit that like button right now. What you waiting for? All right, y'all, so we're not gonna waste any more time. So like I said, we're gonna roll on this campus. So y'all, without any further ado, let's go ahead. And y'all know Clemson Tigers, they're huge for school spirit and school support, y'all. Okay, I'm done now. So let's go ahead, y'all, and let's check it out. So our first stop today is going to be the Hendrick Student Center. That's where I am right now. And when I tell you, there are so many things inside of here. 3 levels, atrium, you have Barnes & Noble, you have Einstein Bros Bagels, you have Wells Fargo, you have the food court. I'm just going to really just walk y'all around and just show y'all everything that's in here. So it's a lot. So let's go ahead and let's check it out. And this is outside of the Hendrick Student Center. They have a really nice patio you can sit out on. Beautiful day out here. They also have FedEx drop off, they have UPS drop off, and they have a USPS drop off. And our next stop is going to be the Brooks Center for the Performing Arts. So that's right behind me, and everything performance related, theater, music, dance, concert, song, all of that is going to take place right behind me. And this is actually not too far, maybe a 10-minute walk, if that, from the Student Center. So that's going to be right here behind me. And this beautiful building behind me is the Life Sciences building. So the Life Sciences building is located right across the street from the Performing Arts building. And yeah, so Life Science is a really nice building. You have all this space here to do all the scientific stuff that you want to do. So that's going to be right here. Y'all, look at this view. Look at this view behind me. You have the Cooper Library behind me, and it has not 1, not 3, not 5, but 6 different levels with a bunch of different things in each level. So you have more than enough space to study, chill with your friends. You have this beautiful view to look out, like look at it. And that is Cooper Libraries right there behind me. All right, so right now we're at the 3rd level of the Storm Thurmond Institute. So the first level is where it's going to be the visitor center, and then the 2nd level is going to be research, and the 3rd level is going to be the rooftop access. And over here, this is where we have that building, the technology building, and then behind me we also have the Robert Cooper Library, and then to the left there's another building. But it's a really nice view out here. It is extremely hot out here, actually. It's extremely hot out here. But yeah, so that's this whole thing, and they're doing construction, so I'm assuming they added on some more stuff. So yeah, y'all. And you know, I couldn't come to Clemson without stopping at the monumental Memorial Stadium behind me. So these are the 3 years where they won the national championships. And when I tell y'all, this stadium was huge, it's beautiful. You have people over here taking pictures because it's that monumental. So that's right here behind me at Clemson University. Amazing, absolutely amazing. So as always, you may be asking, okay, how do I get around campus? Where do I park if I have a car? So first of all, they have a bus route that takes you around campus. You can download the campus app, the Clemson University app, and it will show you the different bus routes. I'll show you that right here. And also they have a lot of parking lots here for visitor parking. They have faculty and staff parking. They have student parking. So you just gotta get the right permits, and that's also going to be on the Clemson how you can obtain that and where to park as well. So yeah. And behind me we have Clemson University's Visitor Center. So that's going to be in here. You know, if you're a visitor, aspiring student, you're going to come in here. You're going to see what's going on. They're going to show you information, have campus tours, campus maps. That's going to be right here in the Visitor Center. Or you can just watch my channel. All right, and behind me is actually one of the most famous places here on campus, one of the most famous buildings. It is Tillman Hall, and this 3-story building overlooks Bowman Field, and this is actually the home of the College of Education right here at Clemson University. Very famous monumental building here, and they have a clock, actually a clock at the top, and that goes off every 15 minutes. That is right here, Tillman Hall at Clemson University. All right, y'all, so I think I'm honestly about to just finish this tour out in my car, simply because it's just you have to walk everywhere, and the things, they're just really distance apart. So I think it's just going to be easiest if I do just finish this out in the car, and it's hot out here as well. So yeah, just stay tuned.
In 1 mile, take a slight right turn onto Anderson toward I-85.
Okay, y'all, and then this is the College of Business right here. Okay, then we have a series of some halls right here. Straight ahead, we have Norris Hall. And then here we have Cribb Hall. And we got some parking spots right here. Then you have Deschamps Hall. I think that's how you say it. Then you have a nice little, thing right here. Then you have McAllister Hall. And then over here, a nice little, well, not nice, but that's post office. Well, that ends our journey here at Clemson University. Y'all, I hope I was able to help you figure out maybe if this is a school for you, if you want to come visit yourself, but I just hope that I was able to help at least one person today figure out, their next step in life. So y'all, as always, thank you so much for checking out yet another video with your boy, Nicholas Ramsey, Campus Tours, Season 2, Episode 6. Please make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And if you have any questions, y'all, please make sure to leave it in the comment section, and I'll be able to, see if I can assist you or point you to somewhere or some resource that can assist you. But once again, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all